Many newer Honda vehicles are equipped with a multi-angle reverse camera. The camera buttons located on the factory touchscreen will switch between the different views available. When replacing your factory Honda radio using the Maestro RR, the camera angle control is retained. This short tutorial will demonstrate how to switch your camera angles on your aftermarket radio. While in reverse, use the source button on the steering wheel to change the camera view. Each press will cycle between a different view. If you're using a Maestro-compatible JVC, Kenwood, or Sony multimedia receiver that supports camera control, you can also change the camera angle from the touchscreen. While in reverse, simply tap the hidden button on the right side of the touchscreen. This will switch between the different views available. For Honda vehicles equipped with lane watch and a reverse camera, both can be retained when using a JVC, Kenwood, or Sony multimedia receiver that offers multiple camera inputs. The lane watch feature will function as it did on the factory radio. When the turn signal is switched on, the lane watch camera will appear. If your Honda provided static or dynamic parking lines, these will be lost when the radio is replaced. Most aftermarket receivers today offer static guidelines as an overlay on the reverse camera input. When using a compatible Kenwood or JVC multimedia receiver, the Maestro RR will add dynamic parking guidelines to the reverse camera. To turn this feature on, go into the radio camera settings menu and turn on parking guidelines. For more information on iDatalink Maestro integration products, go to www.idataLinkMaestro.com.